In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set drawing limits in AutoCAD. By the end, your workspace will match the sheet or area you plan to draw on, making zooming and navigation more predictable and keeping your content neatly contained. First, click into the command line, type limits, and press enter. This opens the limits command, which defines the rectangular drawing boundary that AutoCAD will treat as your working space. When AutoCAD asks for the lower left corner, you can simply press enter to accept the default origin at 00. That's the most common choice and works perfectly for most drawings. If your project needs a different origin, you can type new coordinates in the format X, Y, such as 10, 10, then press enter. Remember, coordinates follow your current drawing units, so think in millimeters or inches based on how your file was set up. Next, AutoCAD will ask for the upper right corner. This is where you define the size of the working area. Type the coordinates for that top right point and press enter. For example, if you are setting up an A3 sheet in millimeters, you might enter 420/297. For an A4 landscape sheet, you could enter 297. 210. The first number is the horizontal width, X, and the second is the vertical height, Y. Use values that match the final sheet or model space area you want to see. Now that the corners are defined, activate the limits. Type limits again, then type on and press enter. Turning limits on tells AutoCAD to honor that boundary when navigating. In most modern setups, it won't stop you from placing objects beyond the edge, but it guides how the view behaves and works with zoom. Also, your defined rectangle becomes the visible working canvas. To fit everything neatly on screen, type Z for zoom, press enter. Then type A for all and press enter. AutoCAD adjusts the view so the entire limit rectangle fills your screen. This makes it immediately clear how much space you have and where your drawing will live. If the view looks rotated or not as expected, it's usually because the coordinates weren't entered as intended. So double check your X and Y values. That's it. Thanks for watching.